Hi everyone, welcome. In this video we will talk about monetization. How you can earn from monetize your website, your Telegram mini apps and other links. Here we are on the Moneytag where you can see on the screen the impressions, and here is the earning profit, and also I can share my ads gram with you. Here you can see right now we have registered 3 Telegram apps: PayPlus, EarnKit and CoinZilla. If you have good marketing and you have good traffic, then you can earn more. Let me show you how you can run your own Telegram mini app and earn from the monetizations. We built a Telegram mini app where users can watch ads and complete the tasks and earn rewards. So here is the main ads page. As you can see, we do nothing and automatically ads pop up, but we will don't click like as a fake click. User the app must need a real clicks. And here is the task section, and here is the invite section, and here is the withdraw section. If you want to test this app how it works, then you can visit CoinZilla reward bot. This is the bot username, so you can test this app, and this app also have daily based reward. If you want to launch your own Telegram mini app, then you can also buy the app from our marketplace. Here is the CoinZilla Telegram mini app. Also we have PayPlus and the EarnKit. You have to click on the checkout button, and you can also watch the details here, and you can click on the buy source code. This is the Solana Pay, so you have to scan the QR code. It's automatically linked to your Sol wallet or Phantom wallet, and you have also clearly read the message what kind of transaction or what for you are paying. And here is the app detail. This app also have admin dashboard where you can see the details, and you can add the tasks and delete the tasks. And also here is the withdraw sections where you can see the request of the users, so you can approve or reject them. If you want to know how to integrate your monetizations in the Telegram mini apps, then you can watch this video. This is our YouTube channel, so you will clearly understand how to integrate Moneytag and AdsGram with Telegram mini app. Thank you.